Welcome. Whether you're 18 and dreaming big, 40 and balancing life's hustle, or 60 and reflecting on the roads traveled, today we're exploring a heartwarming premise. If four AI giants, Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg, can find harmony through timeless guidance, so can we in our everyday lives. Let's dive into this with optimism, insights, and ideas to foster caring connections that will surprise us with wonderful outcomes, even from tough spots. Picture these US-based visionaries whose innovations touch the globe. Elon's space dreams, Sam's ethical AI, Jeff's boundless commerce, and Mark's social webs. They are often seen as rivals, but imagine them uniting under profound mentors. These mentors draw from the psychic's depths, powers, strategies, inner peace, and unshakable virtue. These icons have inspired billions across eras. And they are the Fab Four: Carl Jung, Niccolò Machiavelli, Buddha, and the Stoics. In this imagined summit, they blend their philosophies to spark unity among the tech titans, showing us how to turn potential clashes into collaborative magic. The scene: a virtual roundtable, scrolls meeting screens, ideas flowing freely. Jung opens introspectively. Gentlemen, your innovations mirror the collective unconscious, vast potential for global good. Let's collaborate on a psychic harmony project. Elon, Neuralink will foster empathetic mind links. Sam, AI analyzes shared dreams for innovation. Jeff, you scale therapy tools worldwide. And Mark shares archetypal stories via Meta. The surprise outcome: from isolated anxieties, we birth global mental health networks, turning personal shadows into shared light. Elon nods. Jung, that's profound. Unity through understanding. Count me in. Machiavelli adds cunningly, power thrives in alliances. Build the global strategy network. Sam, you'll stimulate ethical scenarios. Elon, you'll secure communications on X. Jeff, optimize trade for equity. Mark, you connect diplomats. From geopolitical tensions to wonderful surprises, peace accords emerge, unlike treaties in my time, fostering worldwide prosperity. Sam smiles. Machiavelli, pragmatic story. Let's prototype. Buddha speaks serenely. Attachment dissolves in compassion, he says. Create a mindful unity initiative. Elon enhances meditation via tech. Sam trains AI for empathetic responses. Jeff distributes resources fairly. Mark builds virtual sanghas. From the devices, debates, surprise joy. Communities heal. Inequality fades, birthing a caring global village. Jeff agrees. Buddha, interconnectedness wins. I'm on board. The Stoics chime in unison. Virtual guides focus on control and endure wisely, they say. Launch a resilience academy. Sam teaches adaptive AI. Elon inspires cosmic perspective. Jeff builds ethical empires. And Mark fosters wise dialogues. From a crisis like a market crash, we get a surprise triumph. Stronger bonds form, and that turns adversity into enduring friendships. Mark beams. Stoics, timeless. Let's endure together. Now, how do they create unity? Each one of the Fantastic Four has a suggestion. Jung suggests integrate opposites. He would hold retreats to confront and blend personalities. Machiavelli says Have strategic pacts, rotate leads, and celebrate differences. Elon's boldness, Sam's ideals, Jeff's drive, and Mark's connectivity. And Buddha's, his suggestion would be having mindful practices, detach from your egos, cultivate kindness. And the Stoics, they recommend daily virtues, reflect, endure, and measure and shared good. The result is a wisdom council. They will meet quarterly and they'll have innovative breakthroughs. Do you see yourself in this? For you, at 25, navigating career links. Like these giants, turn competition into collaboration. You may have a surprise outcome. A startup partnership. It'll bloom from a heated pitch, leading to lifelong mentorship and success. At 40, you're juggling family and work. Blend philosophies for balance. Mindful pauses amid strategies. Surprise! From burnout's edge, you'll get deeper bonds with kids and colleagues. That will create a more supportive network. And at 60, reflecting on legacies, embrace Stoic resilience and Jungian depth. Surprise! From surprise, retirement, isolation, you get a new community inspiring grandkids and fostering intergenerational care. Friends, this isn't fantasy. It's a blueprint. If AI titans harmonize, so can we. In families, in workplaces, and in communities. Foster caring by listening deeply, strategizing kindly, detaching with compassion, and enduring virtuously. Surprise outcomes await. From dire arguments, you may get profound understandings, and from divides, you'll get unbreakable ties. Start today. Reach out to a rival or an old friend. Propose a unity jam over coffee. Share this link. Spark discussions. Build better relationships with optimism. If you got benefit from this talk, please like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. Let us know any new things that you see you may be able to do that came to you through your visiting this video. Thank you. Have a wonderful life, and we'll look for you at the next video. Bye for now.